Hi, I'm Heidi McCurdy, and I'm here with the Wheat Institute to invite you to our third workshop in our series of professional development trainings for educators using creative arts in schools. So this is a 3-hour session on exploring emotions through drama. So we know that for children to develop their emotional self-regulation skills, it's really helpful to understand emotions, the broad range of emotions that they might experience, that other people experience, and how they look, sound, and feel in their own nervous systems. So we'll use some different drama techniques to explore this, such as some drama warm-up games and passing the emotion and storytelling, and also explore some scenarios through Tableau about situations where people might be expressing an emotion and needing some support. And we'll also explore individual relationships with nature and collective relationships with nature as a source of emotional support and healing. So this will be a lot of fun, and also you'll learn techniques that you can apply the very next day in your classroom. Hope to see you there.